Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm in Abokobi and I'm here to show you a 3-bedroom house that is going for sale. So I'm not going to delay you anymore. Let's head straight in. So one of the first things that you'll notice when you come into the house is that it has a really nice big areas that you can sit down with your sofas, your TV on the wall, really nice space. And then over here we also have a dining space as well. So if you want to have a dining table, you can have that here and you can sit probably quite a few people around here. It's really nice and spacious here. Okay, and then we have kind of like a semi-open plan kind of kitchen going on as well right here. So this is the kitchen area. So from the kitchen you can actually see the living room and you can also see the dining area as well. The house actually comes with the fitted units and obviously your sink and everything. I believe you have to just get your own fridge when you're here, which is fine. I like my own stuff. You can get all that done and you may actually be able to change some of the things inside this house if you want to. So it doesn't have to be maybe white, maybe you want a different color or you want something slightly different. I believe that's all open if you like that. So I'm also just going to show you here, right to the side of the kitchen, we have a nice storage space. So in here you can actually set it up for a laundry area, or if you want to have, say for example, tuck a fridge freezer away, you can tuck it in there and you can just let it be hidden and out of the way, right? Just on the side of the kitchen here as well, we have a really nice outside space. So you can kind of use this as like an outdoor kitchen if you want. This is a great place to kind of dry your clothes if you want to as well. What I love about this as well is that you can make it so that you have more grass if you want, or you can have more tiles. It's really up to you. So it's up to you to create the balance that you want. You can also ask for specific trees to be built here if you would also like that. So this is a really nice space here. And to the side as well, we have a carport over here. Once you drive into the property, you can just have your car parked right here, which is really, really nice. Okay, and obviously, as you have guests, you know, you don't want them necessarily going into your bathroom upstairs. We actually have a guest bathroom down here as well. So anybody that comes to visit and they're in the living room, there's a bathroom here that can easily be used. Or should I say washroom? A washroom, okay? Bathroom, washroom. So next I'm going to take you upstairs and let's see. So this is a 3-bedroom. So I'm going to take you up so we can have a look. So I really like the way the stairs are kind of like two-fold. So you walk up one way and then you walk up the next way. That kind of gives the house a little bit of dynamics, which is really, really nice. As you get to the top landing here, you'll see that there's a nice little family area here. So you can use this as an area for your children to sit, or you can just make it, I don't know, just put a couple of sofas here just for anyone to sit, basically just away from the main living room, which is really nice. I don't know my left and my right, so on this side, okay, on this side, we have the master bedroom. So this again is a really nice big space, okay, and what I really like about this house is that the colors are fairly neutral. So it means that if you were to move into this house, you can kind of put your own imprint on it. So it'll be easy to decorate, you know, you use your soft furnishings to kind of give the house its own character. So, you know, if you don't like the wall color, you can easily do whatever you want with it. Over here, we actually have this really nice small area. Okay, it's kind of like, it's a balcony, I guess, but it is quite small. But it's nice enough where you could just stand out here and just, you know, have a cup of coffee or something like that. Or if you just want to allow airflow into the house, you can just have this open. And as you can see, it's immediately I open the door, you've got lots of light flooding into the house. So that's really nice. And then you can also see all the other properties around as well. So it's actually a really nice view from up here. Okay, and then obviously the master bedroom has to have its own ensuite, right? Okay, so over here we have a shower, we have obviously your toilet, your sink and all of that. So it's all nicely functional in here. Come on. Okay, so we're back out into the family area. Okay, and we have one of the bedrooms here. Okay, so in this bedroom, we have slightly different tiles on the floor, and that's because this house that we're touring at the moment has actually been bought, so this one's not available. But the person who has bought this house has actually asked for the tiles to be slightly different, so this is the reason for having something slightly different in here. Okay, we have really nice big windows as well. You can open them all the way out, which brings in floods of light, you know. We also have our mosquito net here as well, because nobody wants mosquitoes biting them, you know, during the night. So we have a really nice space in in here. Over here as well, we already have a wardrobe fitted just behind the door here. So it's kind of like out of the way. So you don't necessarily notice it as soon as you come in. So it's hidden away so you don't have to see it if you don't want to. Okay, and then also over here, again, we have a really nice bathroom. So we have our shower, we have vanity unit, you know, your sink, your toilet, everything in there. So you're nice and private in here. So this is the third bedroom. Okay, again, we have really nice big windows going on here. A really nice big space. In fact, this is a really decent sized room, I would say. We have our wardrobe here as well again. Also, we have an ensuite. So every room has got its own ensuite, and that's amazing because no one wants to be fighting for the bathroom in the morning. So there's none of that here, okay? You have your own space. Okay, so we have, again, shower, vanity unit, sink, toilet, all of that, okay? Really nice space. And we have the wires here already plugged in for you. So if you want to mount a TV or anything like that, that can easily be done because the wire's already in the wall, so no chiseling for you. So every bathroom actually has hot water. So we have one water tank which feeds all the bathrooms in the house. So you've got hot water throughout. You can also use this area as a really nice space. And I'm sure if you want to, you could probably close this so that you don't necessarily have to look at this, and you can store stuff here like, I don't know, suitcases or whatever, out of the way so no one can see it, and that's a really great thing. Okay, I just want you guys to bear in mind that this development is ongoing. Some of the houses have already been sold, so there is still a lot of construction happening outside, but outside is a really, really nice area, but we'll talk about that in just a second. Okay, so hi Kojo.
Hi.
Thank you for allowing me to tour your house. So can you tell me, how much is this, a 3-bedroom like this, going for here?
So as it stands, it starts from around $150,000.
Okay.
And we are doing that for promotion between the next 2 months.
Okay,
so anybody
sure.
who is watching us who wants to come around within this period, once you can refer to this video, we can get between 2 to 10% discount.
Oh, nice. Okay, I see. Okay, so this is like a really big development. Okay, so how many houses do you have here at the moment?
So currently we have about 40 units coming up. As you can see, the terrace is the fastest moving.
Right.
We have about 10 different designs.
Okay.
Exactly, but that's one of them and is the fastest moving.
Right.
Yeah, so currently we're doing 98 units, but 40 are up and under construction.
Right, okay.
Yes,
so what size rooms do you have? Do you start from like 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom?
No, we have from 2 bedroom.
From 2
to
bedrooms?
4.
Okay.
Yes, and you can have the 2 bedroom semi-detached, and you can have a terrace.
Okay.
Exactly. So, but with a 3, you can have a terrace, you can have a standalone, you can have a bungalow.
Oh, okay.
Exactly. So
okay.
there are various options you can choose
so you can
from.
choose what you
can
would
choose
like.
From. If you want a story, standalone, if you want a terrace, those options are all available. We're actually trying to do a phase 1 where we're going to have the gym ready, and beneath the gym you're going to have, you know, a pool, you're going to have table tennis, you're going to have changing rooms for the swimming pools,
Okay.
and then you're going to have a tennis court, you're going to have a basketball court, but all these are going to be finished in phases. But currently we have the structures up, and very soon we'll be putting in the details to make it complete and usable.
Right, okay. So for those that are interested in purchasing, like what do you do like a payment plan, or how does it work?
Yes, we do. So what we do is you can do an initial 25% deposit, and then we spread the balance for you for the period of 12 to 18 months.
Okay.
That's like a year and a half to do all the payment. That's what we do. But you can decide to do monthly. You can decide to do quarterly, biannual, whatever works for you.
Okay,
within the period that we've stipulated. Even if you want to go further, we could look at the math and then
So you're open to negotiations,
exactly,
basically.
Exactly.
Okay.
And anything that suits our buyers. You know, we realize that income levels are different.
Yeah.
The way they're coming are different. So if somebody comes and you make it strictly monthly, they might not be able to do. But maybe if it's quarterly, they could bring in lump sum. So we're open for negotiations. Yeah.
Awesome. That's lovely. Okay guys, so there you have it. This is a really nice development happening here. As I said, it's in Abokobi. I hope I'm saying that right, okay? So if I'm not, please don't shout me down, please, okay? But yes, they have a range of houses that are already complete, as well as some that are already in construction as well. Okay, so if you're interested in knowing more about these properties, please feel free to send me an email. So you send it to naturalghanagirl@gmail.com, and then I will obviously put you in touch with the owner of the development, so that you can do your further negotiations or discussions. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed today's tour as much as I have. If you haven't already subscribed, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button for me and the notification bell. Don't forget to also like, comment and share this video. Until next time, I am out. Nuti Fafa.